Welcome, fourth graders. This is Miss Mills. We are going to do the mini lesson now for Sort 29 in the syllables and affixes group, and that's found in Volume 2. Okay, so to start, let's go ahead and take a look at all of these words. When we move to the Words Their Way website, we'll go through each one of them one at a time, but for now, just stop and look at a few and see if you notice any similarities that they have. Do you notice? Each of these words has the same number of syllables. Tremble, cradle, muscle, scribble. That's right, they each have 2 syllables. And you may have also noticed that they all end in a similar way. So our spelling pattern today is going to have to do with that similar ending. Okay, here we are. We can see our category headings for the sort. This one says vowel, consonant, LE. All right, here's our example. So there's the vowel, the consonant T, and the LE ending. Next, we have vowel, consonant, consonant, LE, doublet. Okay, so when I'm looking at this example, I'm thinking that a doublet means that the 2 consonants are the same. And the last heading here, vowel, consonant, consonant, LE, as in simple, we have the vowel I, the LE ending, 2 constants in between, and they are different. So let's go ahead and take a look at these words. The first one, battle. Battle. Right away, I see there's a doublet. 2 T's right in a row that separate the vowel and the LE ending. So I'm going to put that right here. Now, cable. Cable. LE, the A, with 1 consonant in between. So I think that goes there. Rifle. Rifle. Now you might notice a lot of these words have meanings as nouns, as a person, a place, or a thing, or as an action word, a verb. And this is kind of a fun example because a rifle is a type of gun, but it is also, as a verb, it means to search through something kind of frantically, like I rifled through my bag to find my flashlight. So that's kind of a fun, different use of the word. But if we pay attention to the spelling pattern, we see that the F is the only consonant between that vowel and the LE ending. So I'm going to put it over here with cable. Muscle. Muscle. Now we don't say muscle, even though there are 2 consonants here, and one makes the k sound, right? That C. So I'm thinking that we'll go over here because the S and the C separate the vowel from the LE ending. Tremble, tremble. Okay, again, we have the M and the B in between, so I'm going to put that there. Oh, I see a doublet, 2 B's, scribble, scribble. All right, so that's going to go with the other doublets. Sample, sample. There's an M and a P. Again, this could be a noun. Can I have a free sample? That's a thing, right? Or, may I sample your delicious cake? That would be a verb. You're asking to do something. It's kind of fun to think about. All right, we have our M, P. That is over here with those other ones. Middle. I see that doublet, 2 D's between the I and the LE ending. Paddle. Again, I'm using my paddle to paddle, a noun and a verb. That belongs in that middle spelling category. Bugle. Bugle. Now this is a type of like brass instrument. You should ask Miss Bassler for details, but there's our vowel, right? Our U, nice long U sound, our LE, and the G is the only thing separating it. So I think it goes in that category. Bridle, bridle. Now, a bridle is something that you put on the head of a horse to help guide it if you're riding the horse. And there's the I, our vowel, our LE, and that D is the only consonant separating the ending from the vowel. Bottle, there is that doublet. I'll put it right here in the middle. Handle, handle. Okay, I see the vowel, the N and the D, so that's before the LE, so that will go over here. Single, single. NGLE. All right, after that I. Rattle. Okay, this is obviously like a baby toy, but can also like be to make a noise when shaken, right? It can be a verb or a noun. And I'm hoping you're noticing that a lot of these words that have noun and verb meanings, the meanings are a lot of the times related. So it's not just randomly different definitions, they are usually related. There's a doublet of T's, so I'll put that in the middle category. Cradle, vowel, D-L-E, that's only one consonant. Now this is the only word we've seen so far where the vowel's out in front, but we still have the LE ending, and there's that one consonant in between. I'll put it over here. Settle, settle. There's that doublet separating the vowel and the LE ending. Jungle, LE ending. There's the vowel U and two letters, the N and the G, two consonants are in between. Scramble, scramble. That's a fun word. Okay, there's our vowel, the A. And B before the LE, that's two consonants. Table, vowel, LE, one consonant in between. Okay, let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we did. Looks like we've got green checks all the way through. And this is your opportunity to open up your Words Their Way book and write down each of these words under their correct heading. This is very important because in these couple of weeks when you're doing your own word sorts, you need to have an answer key to use to check if you're on track. So write these words down so you have that answer key to go back to. Now I know they all can't fit in one screen here, but the good thing is you have the power. Oh wait, there we go. You can pause it right there. I was gonna say you have the power to pause, to rewind, to make sure you have, you can see all of those 21 words. All right, 21 words, all with 2 syllables and all with that LE ending. Okay? All right, as always, please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this has been a helpful introduction for your word study. Thank you so much for joining me.